I'm Nelson B. Mintawan. I'm going to report the Android 4.4 KitKat. What is Android? Android is a mobile operating system based on modified version of Linux kernel and other open source software designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphone and tablets. What is API? API is also known as Application Program Interface. API or API level is an integer value that uniquely identifies the framework API version offered by Android platforms. Android 4.4 KitKat is the code name for the 11th version of the Android mobile operating system, representing release version of 4.4 unveiled on September 3, 2013. KitKat focused primarily on optimizing the operating system for improved performance on entry-level devices with limited resources. Android having 512 MB of RAM as a recommended minimum. Those improvements were known as Project Civil internally at Google. The required minimum amount of Android available on an Android is 340 MB, and all devices with less than 512 MB of RAM must report themselves as low RAM devices. Features of Android 4.4: refresh interface with white elements instead of blue. Clock no longer show bold R's, all digits are thin. Ability for application to trigger translucency in navigation and status bar. Restriction for applications when accessing external storage. New framework for UI transition. Censoring batching step detector and counter API, and etc. Some technology blogger also expected the Keyline 5 release to be Android 5 KitKat debuted on October 31, 2013 and was up on Google Nexus 5 and was optimized to run on a greater range of devices than early Android versions. And now I'm going to show you example of a KitKat OS. This smartphone is a cloud phone, and the model of this phone is Light C. I'm going to show you the OS or the Android version of this phone. First, I'm gonna look for the about phone in the setting, and in the about phone you can see the information of your phone. And you're gonna look for the Android version and tap it simultaneously, and you see the Android version it is. And this is the Android KitKat 4.4. Since these devices makes our lives so sweet, each Android version is named after a dessert, sweet like cupcake or gingerbread, jelly bean, and Kit Kat. and etc. That's all my report regarding to Android 4.4 KitKat API 19. That's all. Thank you.